Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super popular feature that's taking over websites and apps, dark mode. We are going to learn how to implement a dark mode toggle using just HTML, CSS and a bit of JavaScript. Let's get started. First we will begin by setting up a simple HTML structure. After doing that, we have to add a header with a title and a button that will serve as our dark mode toggle. Now let's move on to the CSS file. Step second, we will add some styles for the light mode in the styles.css file. We have set a basic style for our light mode. Now let's create the dark mode style. Step 3, in the same CSS file, we will define a dark mode class. Great, we now have styles for both light and dark mode. Next, we will use the JavaScript to toggle between these styles. This code adds click event listener to our button. When clicked, it toggles the dark mode class on the body and updates the button text. Do you know, to make it even better, we can store the user preference using local storage. Now our site remembers the user's theme preference even after they refresh or revisit the page. For a smoother experience, we have added a transition property in our CSS earlier. This ensures the background and the text color changes smoothly between light and dark mode. And there you have it, a fully functional dark mode toggle using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.